how to uninstall Google Gemini from your phone, as in remove it completely. On your phone settings, find apps, app management, and here locate Google logo. Press on it, press disable app. Now that is disabled, while you're here, if you have Assistant app installed as well, perhaps you can disable that too. If you don't, that's okay. So now when we press on Google logo, which is a different logo, as we can see, it's color blue because this is our Google account. So when we look at our Google account, press on all services, settings for Google apps, which is digital assistant, search assistant, that is no longer there. That means it is uninstalled from your phone. Basically, to be able to get rid of Gemini AI assistant from your phone, you actually need to disable the Google app itself. That is how you uninstall it. Because it's not installed into your phone like other apps. It's part of the Google app with the Google logo. For more tutorials related to Google products, definitely check out Rankia YouTube channel. In the next video session, I'll show you how to turn it off instead of removing it.